Hello. This is my fire truck that my and Daddy made. And it got big tires. And it got it got 3 windows on the back. And it also got.
What's it got on the inside, Matthew?
And it got a toolbox in here.
Can you show us?
This is the driver.
Can you show us?
Here, there's a duck car with a hose in the back.
Cool.
And the lights on the top. And there's a top of the front of the fireman.
Can you show us the tools on the inside?
So these are all the tools in the toolbox. There's 3 tool drivers. There's 2 tool drivers. And there's 1 walkie-talkie and this little firebox.
That's a really cool fire truck, buddy.
Yep. Especially, do you know why it's cool?
No, you tell me.
So we can put the box in here.
Yeah.
Can I